Hi, my dear friends and subscribers. Welcome to my channel PKR Vibes Career and Growth. Today we are discussing about that scenario is not medically necessity. In the name itself, we know that it is not medically necessity. So this scenario, when it will comes into the picture, and what action we should have to take to close this claim, we should have to know. So here the first point: if the services are not covered as per LCD NCD guidelines. LCD is nothing but local coverage determination and NCD is a national coverage determination. So there are a guidelines for the state and federal. So if the services are not covered as per LCD NCD guidelines, then claim will be denied as a services not medically necessity. This denial code is denoted by 50, and commonly we can see this denial reason from the insurance of Medicare and Medicare Advantage plans. So in this case, the provider need to check whether the services are covered as per LCD NCD guidelines under the patient. So here what happened means, generally there is a primary diagnosis code on the billed claim, right? And the CPT code. The both are in a relationship. I think it means that they are not in the relationship criteria between the CPT code whatever we build and the diagnosis code whatever build is not valid or nothing but it is inconsistent. Then we have to check those are under the LCD NCD guidelines or not. So in this case we have to forward this claim to coding team in further assistance, because our internal coder will check whether that CPT code and diagnosis code are consistent to each other or not. So if there is any coding correction is done by our coding team, then we have to rebuild the claim as a corrected claim with the resubmission code as a 7. So that is done. Okay, there is some correction was done to our coding department based on LCD NCD guidelines. So we rebuild the claim as a corrected claim. So claim is action is resolved. If there is a no coding correction is required, then we have to check if the patient is signed the ABN or not. Here ABN is nothing but advanced beneficiary notice given by the Medicare. Advanced beneficiary notice for non-covered services, which is given by the Medicare guidelines. So if the patient signed the ABN, then we can bill to patient. So nothing but the patient already knows that these services are not covered by this Medicare or Medicare Advantage plans. So patient already signed the ABN services, so patient is responsible for this. If the ABN is not signed by the patient, and the claim is denied as a not medically necessity, then doctor will directly goes to write off that claim balance, or otherwise provider adjustment we can call it. So these are the two actions: either we can rebuild the claim or otherwise we can bill patient or provider adjustment. So this is a not medically necessity scenario, and please concentrate on this. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good health. Bye for now. Thank you.